Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple search box using HTML and CSS. I'll share the relevant code with you so that you can see step by step how it works. Let's start with the HTML and body style code. Body style rule defines the overall appearance of our page. We set the background color to #0984E3 and the font size to 125%. We create the search box using an input tag. We set the class attribute of the input tag to search so that we can target it in our CSS code. We added the placeholder text as search so that users can understand what they can search for. The search class is used to style the search box. We define properties such as width, height, background color, and text color. We also add the search icon as a background image and align it to the left. The search focus rule specifies the style changes that will be applied when the search box is focused. We set the outline color to #0984E3 and activate an animation. This animation changes the background color and moves the search icon to the left. Finally, at keyframes myAnimate defines an animation named myAnimate. This animation controls the background color change and the movement of the search icon when the search box is focused. And there you have it. We have created a simple search box. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.